Okay, so a few weeks ago, I posted a video on my YouTube channel showing you guys how I was getting ready to go for my 3rd degree black belt testing. And today I was going to film an update video showing you guys that I actually got my 3rd degree black belt. But why would I do that when there's literally piles of snow outside? Let's go take a look. Yeah, so, whoa. Oh, how am I gonna get up? I should have taken my gloves. Okay, hold on. Oh my god. Let me get it. So, this is what Ontario looks like currently. Yesterday we had a severe snowstorm that led to about like 50 centimeters of snow. So, a lot of snow. And we haven't had a severe snowstorm warning since like 1993. And actually, this is the most snow that we've had this whole winter season. Okay, so because of the snowstorm, we've had to close down pretty much everything, including schools. So we've had to do online school yesterday, so Monday and today, Tuesday. But hopefully we'll be back tomorrow because the roads are pretty much cleared-ish, as long as we don't get any more snow. But it is predicted to snow again tonight, so we'll see. For now, we'll enjoy the snow. Okay, so I'm in my backyard right now, and it's totally covered with snow. I'll show you guys in a second, but today it's not actually that cold, despite the literal fog coming out of my mouth, but it's not that cold. Tonight it's supposed to drop to like negative 26 degrees, continuing on with tomorrow with like negative 26 feels like negative like 31, which is absolutely crazy. But I hope we just get to go sledding, because with this much snow, if we don't do that, then I don't know. Okay, so my hands are getting a tad bit cold, like they always are, but that's why I have a hand warmer. Let's see if it'll turn on. Sometimes it doesn't turn on, it's too cold. Oh, there we go. So I'm gonna put the temperature all the way up. Let's see how far will we get. So it's at 22 degrees right now, and it's gonna warm up till like 55. So just keep this in my pocket and not freeze to death. I forgot my gloves again. Okay, so I think that's enough snow from me. Thank you guys for watching and seeing how Ontario looks like at the moment with all of our snow. And check out my other videos, subscribe, and like this video. Thank you guys.